I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the cake mix and wet ingredients precisely because texture depends on ratios. Combine 1 box Betty Crocker chocolate cake mix with 2 eggs, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, and 1/4 cup water in a bowl. Mix quickly but gently until no dry streaks remain. Overmixing makes brownies cakier, not fudgy. Once done, fold in 1/2 cup chocolate chips or chopped nuts if you want extra chew and flavor. Make sure the batter is glossy and uniform. Before pouring, you now prepare the pan and focus on even baking so edges and center finish together. Grease an 8x8 pan or line it with foil and leave an overhang. This helps you lift brownies out cleanly. Pour batter in and smooth the top, then tap the pan once on the counter to pop air bubbles. Bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Check at 20 with a toothpick. Few moist crumbs indicate fudgy brownies, while a clean stick means cakier texture. You finish by cooling and slicing carefully to preserve texture and appearance. Let brownies cool in the pan for 15 to 30 minutes. This sets the crumbs so slices hold. Lift the foil, transfer to a cutting board, and chill 10 minutes if you want cleaner slices, then use a sharp knife wiped between cuts. If brownies seem gummy in the center, return to the oven for 3 to 5 more minutes. If they came out dry, reduce bake time or check oven temp next time to avoid overbaking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.